Here we are, Belvidere Car Show 2021. There's my master judges, Kenny and Mike, walking around judging the vehicles. 75 degrees today. We've got a great turnout. What do you think, fellas?
I think it's super nice car.
Beautiful.
I mean, all these cars so far have been unbelievable.
We got a Packard over here.
They have it down in a fairway.
What are you turning on 212?
Stunning.
And what's the?
Kenny, here's that 30 Model A.
Oh,
That's the one I was telling you about. Look at the color of it. Look at the color.
how about specialty class for this guy?
Yes. Chevy 63. Stunning.
Jesus. You know what this reminds me of?
Look at that interior. How nice.
This reminds me of
Stick.
by Belvidere.
That Camaro's gorgeous too. Stunning.